Good morning, student. Today we will discuss our sixth unit, physical activity and leadership training. Leadership. Leadership, it is a social quality which is found in every person's. It is found in male, female, member of different race, culture, economical background, etc. It is leadership quality is in every people, and the leaders is the one who lead others. According to R.M. Sodkin, leadership is a process of influencing the activity of an organized group for any goal achievement. Means it is the process of influencing the activity to influence the activity of a group for achievement of some common goal. According to P.M. Joseph, leadership, it is the quality which enable a person to take initiative and guide others in performing some required tasks. Okay, according to him, leadership, it is the quality of a person to guide others people, to act, to guide others people for performing some required tasks, or performing or gaining some goal. So we can say that leadership, it is the quality of an individual to influence other people so that they cooperate with each others for achievement of some common goal. And for a good leadership, three basic things are required. That is good leaders, good follower, and common purpose. Good leaders who can lead his group, good followers who can follow his leader, and common purpose. And for leadership, there should be a common purpose so that they cooperate, they work with each others for achieving that common purpose. Leadership, there are two types of leaders: professional leader and democratic leaders. Professional leaders is that who earn the quality of leadership by becoming a teacher, official, administrators, or manager, etc. Okay, professional leaders means those leaders who earn the quality of leaders by becoming a profession. For example, these are the professional leaders, like the leaders, teacher is a leaders who lead the student, official who lead his staff, manager who lead his staff. These are the professional leaders who become a leaders through their profession. Democratic leaders are those leaders which we choose. Democratic leaders, we choose them and they become our leaders. Democratic leaders, there are two types of democratic leaders: mature leaders and amateur leaders. Mature leaders is like a political leaders. Okay, mature leaders, it is like a political leaders who become mature by becoming a leader. Amateur leaders are the leaders with volunteer service, like student leaders, game leaders, captain, group leaders, academic leaders, culture leaders, stage leader, etc. These are the amateur leaders. They are the volunteer service, and after the amateur leaders, they become a mature. By becoming amateur, they get the experience, and after that they become a mature leaders. The student leaders, the leaders of the student who lead his group. The game leaders, that is captain who lead his teammate, etc. These are the amateur leaders. In our democratic society, everyone has the right to be a leaders in any field of his interest. Everyone has the right to be a leaders. For a student, and physical education and sports provide you an opportunity to be a leaders. For example, leaders of a game, if you participate in physical activity, you get a chance to become a leader. And also it's have to develop confidence in you how to lead the group. Just leaders educations, the leadership quality, it is best gained by experience, by learning by doing. It's learning by doing is the best form of educations, and game and sports provide you opportunity. In game and sports you get a chance to become a leaders, and your leadership quality will also develop. A good leaders rise the group to a new height and help in the society. If a leaders of a group is good, if he is able to lead his group, then he can rise the group into a new height, and also it helps the society. Quality of leaders. There are various quality of a leaders or a captain. First, the leader should be academically sound. He must be well qualified with good commanding powers, good experience to lead his group. Leaders, he should have sufficient knowledge about the subject. For example, if he is a group, if he is a leaders of basketball, he should have a full knowledge about the technique, skill of a basketball, so that he can lead his group, he can lead his team, he can tell about the rules regulation of the basketball also. So he should have the sufficient knowledge, full knowledge about the subject. He must be efficient to give command, he must have commanding power. The leaders must be efficient so that he can give command to his group. He should understand the need of the group so that to lead his group. So the first point is the leader should be academically sound. He should be well qualified, good commanding power to command his group, and also he should understand the needs of the group. Next is personality, good personality. A leader should be a handsome, he should have good personality, attractive personality, etc. He must be a fit and healthy, among the good perfection in the activity. So for a leader, second point is he should be a attractive personality, active. He must be active, attractive personality, fit and fine, healthy, etc. so that he can lead his group. Third is moral characters. Leader must possess moral quality with good characters. Leader's behavior should be good and an example for others. The leaders should be an example for others also. He must have social quality of a leaders should be praiseworthy. Okay, he must be as an example. The leaders must be an example for others people also. He should possess the moral quality. He should have good characters, good behavior, adjust with others person also, etc. Intelligent. The leaders should be intelligent and creative. He must be intelligent. He must be creative. The leader must think logically with abstract thinking to solve the problems. He should understand the problem without he should understand the problem of the group before the group tell him. He should understand their problem and solve their problem. The leaders must understand the needs of the group, and for this he should be intelligent. Okay, if the leaders is intelligent, he know the problems of the leaders and solve the problem of leaders also. Self-discipline. The leaders should be self-disciplined. Regularity, punctuality, adjustment, politeness, patience and tolerance. These are the quality. First is self-discipline. He should be self-disciplined so that his group also be in discipline. Regularity, he must be regular, he must be punctual. Adjustment, the leaders should have the adjustment quality so that he can easily adjust with others, adjust in the group. Politeness, he must be polite, he must be patient, he should have tolerance ability to tolerate his group, etc. And also inspire the others to do the same. He should inspire his group also to be a same. Determination, firm decision making capability and determinations are expected from a good leaders. Leaders must have the desire to improve further and solve the problems on priority base. The leaders have determination. Inculcate friendship. The leaders should encourage cooperations, team spirit, brotherhood, inspire the group to do the same. Okay, he must inculcate, he must teach the group to be in cooperative, to cooperate with each others, to develop team spirit. The leaders should develop team spirit in his group. Brotherhood, inspire the others to do the same. Courageous quality and logical thinking enhance the leadership quality. Master of physical skill. Leaders must be able to demonstrate as well as explain the physical task skill to the others for better understanding. If the leaders demonstrate as well as if he demonstrate and explain whatever he is explaining, then it's help for better understanding. The group, his group will understand the better if he explain with the help of demonstration. And a good leader should be courageous, expressive and optimism. Leaders should be able to express his idea in a easy way. Okay, he must express whatever leaders should able to express whatever his idea. He should express his idea in a easy way to his group members. And leaders must be imaginative and optimistic attitude to guess the problem and solve their problem. Okay, he must be imaginative to guess the problem of his group and solve their problem. Loyal, a leader should be loyal to his group and do sincere effort for the progress. Moreover, the leaders should encourage others to do the same, to be a loyal with others people, with the leaders, etc. He should be sincere, honest to be with the group. Okay, the leaders should be sincere and honest toward his group member. Example for others. The leader's behavior should be such that everybody is impressed by him or her. Okay, every others people should be impressed by him or her and should present as an example for others. This is the quality. He should be an example for others people also. Impartial, and last is the leader should be impartial and unbiased toward his follower. He should be impartial. He should do justification with his group and support every member. These are the quality which a leader should have. First point is the leader should be academically sound. He should have full knowledge about his subject, well qualified, full knowledge, understand, etc. Understand the needs of his group, etc. Next is personality. A leader should be physically fit, healthy, attractive personality, good moral characters, he should have good moral characters, he should have good behavior and be an example for others. A good leader should be intelligent, he should be creative, intelligent, self-discipline. Self-discipline. A leader should be self-disciplined, regular, punctual, easily adjust with his group, tolerate, etc. Determination. A leader should have determination for achieving the goal. Whatever the goal he has made, he should have determination to achieve that. Inculcate friendship. A leader should inculcate friendship attitude with his group members. He should encourage the team members to develop team spirit, cooperation with each other's brotherhood, etc. Master of physical skill. The leader should be able to express his idea in demonstrative manners also. He should be able to demonstrate as well as explain whatever he has to explain, so that his group can easily understand it. Expressive and optimism. The leader should express his idea in an easy way. Loyal. A leader should be loyal. He should be an example for others, and he should be impartial. These are the some quality of our leaders, or we can leaders. First, L, leadership quality. L means the leader should be loyal. E, it should be energetic, emotionally balanced, engaging personality, able to engage his group member. A means adjustment. He should adjust in the within his group, ability to understand his group members. D means he should be disciplined, dutifulness, determination. E means he should be energetic, economical. R means he should be reliable, responsible, respectful. S means he should be sincere, sympathy, self-discipline. H means he should be honest. I, he should be intelligent, impartial. P means he should be patient, politeness, etc. These are the quality of a leader. Next is creating leaders through physical activity. How you can create leaders through a physical activity. Leadership has been identified as an important but underdeveloped life skill among the players and youth athletes. Leadership can be taught, and it has received considerable attention in the academic. In school, the leadership quality in children and youth are enrolled in sports. When the student participate in physical activity, his leadership quality develop. For the leadership, we know that when in school going child, the children, the leadership quality in children is developed. The leaders, the teachers choose the leaders. The student become a leaders because the teachers choose him and his leadership quality develop. The quality of leadership will be unfold gradually once the child get the opportunity to be a leader, his leadership quality develops. So when the child is young, the teacher choose a leaders, and for look at here, for a young child, for a child, the teachers choose a child. For a child, the leaders, the teachers choose the leaders. For a grown-up children, the leaders is selected on the basis of their performance in academic, cultures or sports activity. According to their performance, the leaders is chosen, and in teen age or adults, the leaders is chosen according to the vote of a teachers or vote of the student, etc. Okay, in children, the leaders is chosen by the teachers, and for grown up children, the leaders is selected on the basis of their academic performance, academic cultures or sports activity. And in teenage adult leaders, it is selected by a group voting. It is selected by voting of the teachers or the student, and where performance in sports or talents in their ability are considered. After the selections of a leaders, once the leaders is selected, he or she must be taken into confidence. The leader should be explained in detail his duty. Okay, after choosing the duty, his duties, his responsibility and authority should be explained to the leaders, and some kind of recognitions which motivate the leader should be provided, like giving color badge, etc., so that the leaders motivate. Some point to create and develop a good leaders, the following points should be considered. Okay, for creating a leaders, the first point is appoint a leaders for different activities. The first point for creating a leaders is to appoint a leaders. A student leaders is appointed for the different activity. For different activity, we choose a leaders, like game leaders, for captains, football team leaders, fitness leaders, class monitors, discipline leaders, house leaders, etc. The first step is to appoint all leaders for different activity. Second is responsibility for conducting event. Okay, we after choosing the leaders, we give the responsibility to our leaders or captain. We give independent responsibility to them. And third is giving authority. The student leaders or captain should be given authority so that they take their own decision regarding the conduct of the sports, while the teachers should check their mistake. If they make mistake, the teachers should correct. Fourth point is guidance to a leader. The teachers should be a guiding force to our leaders. He should give some tips for the better control of his group. Okay, the teacher should guide so that he command his it have to develop his commanding power. Fifth is assigning duties. The student leaders should assign duties such as ground and equipment duties, discipline duty, control of teams, collection of fund, etc. We should assign them duties. After that, recognitions and honors to our leaders. The leaders should be given some recognition, some honors in a public place. This make the leaders, this thing make act as a motivation by giving some badge, chest logo, etc. Special consideration. The leaders should be given special consideration in sports program, and praise for their work in public or group. These things act as a motivation, and the leaders, the captain, give their best performance. Last is technical tips. After the program is complete, the teachers should give some technical tips for improvement of their leadership ability. These are the some steps to create a leaders. The first step is appointing a leaders. The first point is appointing a leaders for different activities. For what activities we have to conduct? First point, we should appoint a leaders like school captain, house captain, game captain, leaders, monitors, etc. First point is appoint a leaders. After appointing a leaders, give them responsibility for conducting the event. After giving them responsibility, give some authority so that the leaders take his own decision for conducting the program. And then guidance to our leaders. After that, give some guidance, some tips for better control of his group. Give some guidance so that he can better control his group. Assigning duties. After that, assign the duties to our leaders. Recognitions and honors. Give some recognitions and honors in a public place like badge, chess logo, etc. so that they can be motivated and give their 100%. Special considerations. We should give some special considerations in sports program, in public place, etc. Technical tips. After the program is over, give some technical tips for the improvement of their leadership ability. These are the steps for creating a leaders. So we have complete about the leaders. The first thing is leadership. Leadership, it is the quality of an individual to lead his group. Leadership is the quality of an individual to influence his group members so that his group members cooperate with each others for the achievement of some common goal. For example, the leaders of a football game. Leaders of a football game, the team leaders, captain lead his group. He make the coordination between his group members so that his group win the match. If a leader is good, then it helps to reach the group in a new height. It make his group in a new height. Quality of leaders. The leaders should be academical sound, good personality, good moral quality, intelligence, sociable, self-discipline, determination towards his goal, loyal. Example, he should be an example for others, impartial, energetic, engaging personality, emotionally stable. And role of leaders is next is creating leaders. First, appointed leaders, give him responsibility, and after that give some authority, and after that assign their duties and guidance. Give some guidance to a leaders, give some recognitions and honors so that it motivate them. Give special considerations, and at last, after the program is over, give some technical tips. Role of leaders of captain. The role of leaders, the leaders represent his group. Okay, leader, it represent his group members. It express the idea, thought, interest of the group. Whatever the idea thought or interest of the group, the leaders express. The leader represent his group. He take the decision on behalf of the group members. Opportunity to direct, reduce stress, better discipline, develop socializations, inspire others, close relationship, better organizations, improve ability, recognition, etc. These are the role of all leaders. We will discuss in our next video. Okay, thank you.